guys, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my April and May product empties with you guys. I have some hair care, skin care, makeup, body care, and all that jazz to share with you guys. I love doing and watching these kind of videos. I feel like just by watching one product empties video, we get to know about so many different products, and I love coming on the channel and sharing these empties videos. I'm gonna be sharing all my honest reviews, honest opinions about all these products, and I really hope that you're gonna find this video helpful. I'm gonna be placing the links of all the products in the description box, and also we are super close to 1,000 subscribers. So in case you watch my videos, you like them but aren't subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon right next to it, so that each and every time I upload a new video, you guys are gonna get a notification instantly. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Alright you guys, I have all the product empties right here in this basket. So grab your snack or bring your tea or coffee, whatever it is that you like, and let's get started with today's video in no particular order. I'm gonna pick up the first product and let's start this video. Alright, सबसे पहले I have the Foxtail Hydrating Cleanser with me. Now this is such a good face wash, you guys. This cleanser comes in a gel consistency and this removes a makeup like this. This cleanser gives you a very soft, supple and clean skin, and I absolutely enjoyed using it. It also comes in a pump packaging and happens to be a very reasonable product. Now for removing makeup, I never relied just on this. I always believe in double cleansing. So I initially like to remove my makeup with some micellar water, and then I go in with a face wash. This is an amazing face wash in case you guys are looking for a gentle face wash under a budget and gel consistency के face wash आप लोग enjoy करते हो. Do try out this particular hydrating cleanser from Foxtail. It's a really good one. Alright, next up, let's quickly talk about two shower gels. Okay, first up I have the Wanderlust French Lavender Feels Rejuvenating Shower Gel from Nykaa. Now I thoroughly enjoyed using this shower gel. It has a very beautiful mild fragrance of lavender, which I absolutely enjoy. So अगर आप lavender का fragrance enjoy करते हो, you're gonna absolutely love this particular shower gel from Nykaa. I think it's a really good one, so you guys should definitely try this one out. And another body wash which I emptied during the months of May and April is the 1% salicylic acid body wash from Be Body Wise. This is not my first bottle. This actually is my second bottle of this particular range, and I enjoy it so much. If you guys are suffering from body acne, then you guys should definitely go ahead with this one, because इसमें salicylic acid है and इसका जो fragrance है ना, बहुत अच्छा fresh fragrance है. So I think for both summer and monsoon आप लोग को ये वाला shower gel बहुत अच्छा लगने वाला है, and even this one is great. So you guys can choose anyone that you want to, because both of these were really good. By the way guys, how many of you are hooked on to the Pretty Little Baby song? Please let me know in the comment section below, because both me and Vivek are hooked. I mean, the very tune of that song is so catchy. We are both just hooked to that song. Alright, next up I have a face mask with me. This is the Radiance Boost Upton face mask from Lotus Herbals. This is what it looks like. Not a very popular face mask. I haven't seen too many people talk about this one. Actually, I have not seen too many people talk about Lotus Herbals in general. ये ना बहुत पुराना brand है जो हमने हमारे moms को use करते हुए देखा है, but they make very good products. Personally for me, this face mask didn't really work out because I don't think it's suitable for dry skin. Upton face masks are really great if you guys are looking for instant brightness, but I somehow feel that for dry skin people it becomes a little too drying and stretchy, which is not something that I like on my skin. So merely personally this face mask didn't work because I have super dry skin. But if you guys have oily skin and acne का बहुत ज़्यादा issue face कर रहे हो, या फिर you want like a brighter looking skin for an upcoming wedding or a party, you guys should definitely pick this one up. And not just this Upton face mask from Lotus Herbals, you can actually pick up any Upton face mask. I think Mamaearth का भी उतना खराब नहीं है, Mamaearth का भी आप try कर सकते हो, and I think even Fab India has one. So आप कोई भी Upton face mask try कर सकते हो, but I think for dry skin people, clay masks always work better. So I will not be repurchasing this, but this one is gonna be great for people with oily skin. Right, next up I have the Micellar Cleansing Water from Garnier. Oh my god, this is such a hot favorite product. I think it's a cult favorite. Most of you who are watching this video right now might just be in love with this, and so am I. I will of course definitely repurchase this. Currently I'm trying out a few different micellar waters from some different brands, but whenever I have to come back to something like OG, I always would like to come back to this. It's a really good micellar water, very thoroughly and gently cleanses off the makeup, and also is not a pinch on the pocket. I also emptied this particular hand cream from Nykaa. This is their strawberry and vanilla hand cream. This is so good, you guys. The smell of this product is so nice. I absolutely will love to repurchase this. This is something जो मेरे ऑफिस बैग में हमेशा रहता था, and you know ऑफिस में due to the excessive AC, the low temperature that they maintain the office in, my hands used to go super dry. So before lunch, after lunch या फिर किसी भी टाइम में मैं इसको लगाती रहती थी, because I feel like my hands go super dry. जब भी कुछ टाइप वगैरह करना होता है ना कीबोर्ड पे, मेरे को बहुत अजीब सा लगता है if I don't have like my hands hydrated. That's just my thing. So yeah, it's a lovely hand cream. I will definitely repurchase this, and not just repurchase, मैं ना ये strawberry and vanilla वाला variant ही repurchase करूँगी, because personally I'm a fan of this fragrance. I also emptied the vitamin C clay mask from Simple. It's a small little packaging, so you know, in case you guys are looking for a mask which you can take with you all during your travels, I think उसके लिए भी ये बहुत अच्छे से काम करेगा. Vitamin C, like you know, helps us get a brighter skin, and because ये clay mask है, जो मैं आप लोगों को 5 मिनट पहले बोल रही थी कि clay masks I feel like are always better for dry skin people, because ये ना बहुत ही अच्छे से and बहुत ही comfortably dry out होता है, stretchy and tight बिल्कुल नहीं करता है आपके स्किन को. तो मैंने तो पर्सनली ये बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय किया है, एंड सिंपल के सारे ही प्रोडक्ट्स एक्चुअली मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं एंड मेरे स्किन पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा सूट होते हैं. सो आई विल डेफिनेटली बी repurchasing this face mask. I have quite a few face masks with me in my vanity right now. So once all of those are over, I will definitely repurchase this one. बात कर लेंगे about another face wash. I have with me the Biotique Papaya Deep Cleanse face wash. I've spoken to you guys about this face wash for I think 100 times on my channel, but I'm never gonna get bored of talking about it. I'm never gonna get bored of showing this face wash to you guys, because it's a genuinely good face wash. बहुत ही अच्छे से आपके face को cleanse कर देता है, and this comes with very good ingredients like papaya. This also has neem in it. Basically, you know that Biotique has Ayurvedic recipes in their products, right? This is a very gentle gel consistency वाला face wash, and अगर आप लोग कॉलेज में हो या फिर स्कूल में हो एंड बहुत ही बजट फ्रेंडली फेस वॉश ढूंढ रहे हो विच इज इफेक्टिव, लुक नो फर्दर, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. आई हैव विथ मी द स्केल्प प्रो एंटी डैंड्रफ शैम्पू. ओ माई गॉड, ये मेरा सेकेंड बॉटल है. इसके पहले मैंने इससे छोटा वाला साइज लिया था, बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई आउट द प्रोडक्ट. आई वॉन्टेड टू सी कि वेदर इट एक्चुअली डज एनीथिंग फॉर माई डैंड्रफ, एंड गाइज इट इज सो गुड, इट इज सो इफेक्टिव. आपके डैंड्रफ को फर्स्ट वॉश से ही रिड्यूस करने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है. मैंने पर्सनली ये पर्टिकुलर शैम्पू बहुत एंजॉय किया है, एंड आई थिंक मेरे डैंड्रफ को इसने सब्सटेंशियली रिड्यूस किया है. आई थिंक डैंड्रफ इज अ प्रॉब्लम विच अ लॉट ऑफ अस डील विद ड्यूरिंग मॉनसून्स, एंड मॉनसून्स आर राइट अराउंड द कॉर्नर. सो आई फील लाइक इट्स अ ग्रेट एंटी डैंड्रफ शैम्पू. प्लीज इसको आप ट्राई करना अगर आप लोगों ने ट्राई नहीं किया है, एंड इफ डैंड्रफ इज अ कंसर्न, आई थिंक यू शुड डेफिनेटली पिक दिस वन अप. आई एम पर्सनली डेफिनेटली गोना repurchase it because this worked wonderfully for me, and monsoon aa raha hai, so I think it's gonna be the perfect anti dandruff shampoo for me, so I'm definitely gonna be repurchasing this one. All right, you guys, the last product for today's video is a makeup product which I emptied, and I absolutely love this one. I have with me the Colossal Kajal from Maybelline, but this is not the original yellow version. This is the super black version. ये वाला भी actually बहुत अच्छा है. So this is something that I have used multiple times in my life. I've been using this since my college days, and obviously I'm going to repurchase this. Recently I've tried using the kajal from Faces Canada. वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. K Beauty का काजल वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. But I always keep coming back to this. अगर मुझे ना कुछ ऐसा tried and tested खरीदने का मन करता है, whenever it comes to like a kohl pencil, I go back to this one. This is one of my holy grail products, and I absolutely thoroughly enjoy using this. Alright guys, these were actually not all the empties from the last 2 months. I have a few more. बट मैं ना जब ये बास्केट देख रही हूँ वो सारे ही फ्रेग्रेंस कैटेगरी में है. सो दीज आर ऑल द फ्रेग्रेंस एम्प्टीज एंड आई थॉट दैट आई शुड डू अ सेपरेट वीडियो फॉर माई फ्रेग्रेंस एम्प्टीज, बिकॉज अदरवाइज मुझे लगता है कि ये पर्टिकुलर वीडियो बहुत ज्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा. I'm gonna post that after this particular video goes live. So yeah, that's all about today's video. In case you guys enjoyed watching today's video, please एक like तो कर ही देना वीडियो को, and subscribe to my channel and put down your beautiful comments down below. I will see you very soon in my next video, which is gonna be all about my fragrance empties. I'm gonna tell you guys if I'm gonna repurchase those fragrance empties, and that is also gonna be a very interesting watch. So do wait around for that one. I will see you very soon in my next video, like I said, and I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.